How you take it to your status? Just go to test. This test now free or charge. If peradventure say you don't know where you want for do test, just waka with us as the waka dey go so. We go tell you. As the waka so we dey go for youth house. For Papa my here. Come there, you go see free test. Go Obama test, you go see free test. Go Ecosa, you go see free test. Santana Market, free test. New Benin, they free test. If you go there for Auchi self, it's good. But I'm not back home, whether you be fine boy, you be fine girl, you go walk, any which way you do. Now healing place, so not be for open place. Not really. Collect the condom for public, don't use them for private. But I hear the goods make we know our HIV status. Small children when you take them so, ask your daddy, ask your mommy, do you know your HIV status? Daddy, do you know your HIV status? If you don't know where you belong, how you go for this one? Don't go wait, let me come catch up with you. Make we try, know our status. Make we try, make we know our status. Women they want to go so. What would they call advocacy for teenage you know your HIV state. Whenever you for them, you can tell your friends, your children, your neighbor, who your enemy. Thank you very much.
Advocacy for teenage empowerment will focus on guiding the youth right. That's one of our focus. We also educate teenagers in order to become a productive workforce in the society. The purpose of this program is for us to let you know that HIV is not a deadly disease. HIV is an ailment that can be handled if you know your status on time. And HIV cannot be gotten through sexual intercourse alone. So that's the reason I have invited some schools here. Teenagers, you mustn't be sexually active for you to be positive. The issue is just know your status. And when you know your status, you'll be able to take care of yourself. It is controllable. You can control and manage the event very well. And I believe at the end of this program, we'll have the mind, just the way we walk to the hospital to do our malaria test. I believe we'll have the mind to go outside just to do our status.
I'm been living with it for good 13 years. I'm married with it. My children are all negative. But with the encouragement from my mommy, she said, no, that is not the end of the world. I should continue. I was assessing my trust. From there, I got married. I have my first kid, second kid, third kid, the fourth kid. They are all negative. My son is 18 years now. My son is 18 years. He's SS2. And my daughter is SS1. I'm proud of it. When I look at the children, they are all beautiful. You say I'm the one that gave birth to them, they are all negative. I'm proud of it.
Positive living entails what you do if after going to test, fortunately or unfortunately, you come down with HIV virus. Many people still have this misconception that HIV virus is a death sentence. But for those of us that are informed, we know that HIV is not a death sentence. HIV positive people can get married, they can have children, they can do everything.
Today, we must congratulate all the non-governmental organizations in Nigeria, especially in the states, the government and individuals who are working tirelessly to ensure that they bring information about HIV/AIDS to the fingertips of every one of us. And this is one of such initiatives. In our hospital, for example, in Central Hospital, we are perhaps the number 1, 2, or 3 hospital in Nigeria caring for the highest number of HIV/AIDS patients in Nigeria. The reason is we ensure that stigmatization is completely non-existent. You cannot come into our hospital and see HIV clinic. That used to discourage a lot of people. So that when people believe or they are told about their status, they are ashamed to seek treatment.
We come here today, celebrate the World AIDS Week. So a lot of things. We invite some speaker, we do roadshow so that we will sensitize the public on reason why they're supposed to know their HIV status. Because when somebody knows HIV status, the person will know how to do. Whether not positive or it come out, they will feel manager. Whether it can be negative, the person will know. As human being, when we say no, say we be male, female, you suppose not say this is my HIV status. As we feel go hospital, we will do malaria test. So now waiting we tell people say, when they just feel free, we can't enter any hospital, know their HIV status, so that whatever the results come out, they go feel take care of it. The tests are free. We did a lot of tests here. The treatment safe now free. We get somebody when don't they live with the ailment for a long time. That one testify. So by the grace of God, I believe by the end of this program, what we do today, people will see reason why they go like to know their status.
She set this day aside to sensitize us to tell our young ones about HIV, how they're supposed to know their status, and to know their status freely. That's one. Two, they don't force anyone. You go for a trip, you go check your status. You better not know your status than you don't know. And the thing they want the person because they treat for malaria and typhoid. So that's what. Then we as stakeholders too, we also understand, say, if you get HIV, not the end of the world with that. Like what did she do? Well, they say she can't bring one woman when you get HIV for 13 years. We see her body they were like what they sick. So that was another one they have any to say with HIV.